Hey, what's up? This is Mr. Ippolito, and today I'm going to show you how to remove a background using remove.bg. So this is a photo that I've taken of myself. Hey, there I am. I just took this photo right outside my classroom. So I took this photo of me, and it's on my computer, on my desktop, and so I'm going to go to the website remove.bg, and I'm going to upload that image. Oh, there, I already did it before, so just uploading it again, and then through the magic of the internet, it's just going to, boom, magically remove that background so it can look like going from this to this. So that's how easy it is to remove a background. But sometimes it's not quite so easy. So let's say, for example, I'm doing a Google image search, and let's say that I want to search for the Uncle Sam I Want You, this image right here. So let's say that I do this and I download this from the internet. So save image as. I'm going to save it to my desktop, and then I'm going to I'll go to remove.bg. Let me get rid of myself there. Get rid of this. Let's do a new upload. Okay, so upload image, and then I do the Uncle Sam, but it's going to give us an error message. Watch this. Uploading. Oh, could not identify foreground. So there was not enough of a contrast between, like, it was just too difficult. It couldn't handle this image. So if you're like, Mr. Ippolito, what do I do? Well, if you want this image in particular, then you're going to have to maybe do a little bit of searching and go to Tools and go to Transparent for the color. And then now, if you see the gray and white checkerboard, that means, boom, I can take this and I can copy this image, and then I could Control V to paste, or if you're on a Mac, Command V. And look now, oh, look at that. Perfect. So that's how you can either remove a background from an image, or you can just use Google image search to find an image that doesn't have a background to begin with. All right, hope that helps. Have a great day. Take care. Bye-bye.